In this video, I want to show you how to create a new project in Rockworks software. So let's get started. Launch your Rockworks. So this is the interface of Rockworks. To open a new project in Rockworks, so come to this project folder, click on it, and then come to New. Click on New. This will open this page for you to create a new project. Now here, you can select the location where you want your project to be, or you can leave it at default location. To specify a particular location where you want the project to be, click on this icon to browse your folder. Let's assume I'm navigating to my desktop. Inside this folder, I will click to select it and click on OK. So you can see that it has selected that location. Now click on Next. Here you can see the Universal Transverse Mercator Projection, which is WGS 84. You will be requested to specify your zone and datum. So if you want to specify the particular zone your study area falls, click on the zone. Then it will bring the entire zone of the world. For example, I am working in Nigeria and I want to select the particular zone my study area falls. Nigeria falls in 3 zones: Zone 31, Zone 32, and Zone 33. So I am working in an area that falls in Zone 32. So I will click on Zone 32. You can see that Zone 32 Northern Hemisphere has been selected. So after you have done that, then specify the units of your measurements. In this case, I'm going with meter. And also the vertical units, I want it as meter. Our guys in US may likely go for feet, but we are using metric units. So I'll select meter and meter here. Then click on Finish. Then it will bring this page. Please confirm your choice of units. Just look through and make sure that you've selected the right parameters. Then if you are satisfied with it, click on Yes. So it's ongoing. So the project has been created and you can see the path to where I created the project. So you can see the summary of those parameters I specify. You can see the system is UTM and you can see the datum I chose. Then you can see the zone, Zone 32 I selected, and you can see the unit, which is meter. So essentially, this is how to create a fresh project and specify the units and the coordinates in Rockworks. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.